A solenoid valve plays a vital role in commercial refrigeration systems, especially in walk-in freezers used in restaurants, grocery stores, and cold storage facilities. This original equipment manufacturer component acts as a precision control point for refrigerant flow, ensuring that cooling cycles operate efficiently and accurately. Welcome to PartsFe. Designed for demanding environments, this solenoid valve measures approximately 3 inches wide and nearly 5 inches deep. Despite its compact size, it is built to handle the tough conditions found in commercial cold storage. The valve is constructed using corrosion-resistant materials, making it suitable for high-moisture areas where reliability is critical. At its core, this solenoid valve functions as an electrically controlled switch for liquid refrigerant. It is compatible with multiple electrical configurations, operating at 120, 208, or 240 volts AC. One of the most important functions of this solenoid valve is to improve energy efficiency. In a walk-in freezer, refrigerant migration can cause serious problems when the system is not actively cooling. This normally closed valve shuts securely when the compressor cycles off, preventing refrigerant from flowing into the evaporator or migrating toward the compressor. This protection helps avoid flooded starts, which can increase energy consumption and place unnecessary strain on the compressor. The valve responds to thermostat signals in as little as 10 milliseconds, allowing the refrigeration system to cool only when necessary. Its internal design minimizes pressure drop across the refrigerant line, which helps maintain smooth and efficient system operation. Regular maintenance and timely replacement of a failing solenoid valve are essential. For trusted commercial freezer replacement parts, visit PartsFe.com in the USA, UK, and Canada. Follow us on social media for expert appliance repair tips from PartsFe. Thanks for watching.